Welcome back to Clean Tech Talk. This is the brief on dry ice cleaner technology. The industrial cleaning world is rapidly ditching messy, hazardous chemicals for a zero-waste alternative. It's literally an essential upgrade for modern maintenance. First, the mechanism and its massive benefits. Dry ice actually sublimates, turning instantly to gas on impact, stripping away contaminants with zero moisture secondary waste. With hazardous waste disposal costs up 18% since 2019, this drastically drops cleanup time and saves you serious money. Imagine traditional sandblasting, but the abrasive sand literally vanishes into thin air the second you're done. Second, we've got to discuss the hidden catch. This vanishing act requires serious power. Honestly, why does an undersized air compressor completely kill your productivity? Well, because a dry ice cleaner is totally useless without massive, stable airflow. You need a heavy-duty industrial compressor, like 7.5 kilowatts with a huge 150-gallon tank. Otherwise, your cleaner is just an expensive paperweight. Finally, let's look at the value alternative. We really need to challenge the bigger is better industrial mindset. Oversizing your equipment just wastes money, while targeted usability actually delivers the best ROI. Precision medium-duty machines like the Aiolith Ai30 give you the exact adjustable power you need, minus the wasted capacity. Basically, dry ice cleaning is the ultimate safe and sustainable upgrade, but your success entirely depends on pairing a smart, precision machine like the i3 with the right air compressor. And as a special thank you to our listeners, you can now enjoy 5% off your next purchase at Aiolith. Just use the promo code Aiolith2026 at checkout. That's AIOLITH 2026. Don't miss out. Keep your downtime low and your productivity high. We'll catch you next time.